Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla, and today we are going to discussing about our new playlist called Gauge and Taiko tools. How we can able to do for automation. Okay, these are automation tools. How we can able to do. Gauge is basically a new tool which is coming from ThoughtWorks. Okay, Gauge is a new automation tool. It is created by ThoughtWorks. ThoughtWorks. Okay, this company is created by Gauge. This Gauge is basically an open source tool. It is an open source. First, they created for their own. After that, they decided to give for as a open source, and also it is having for lightweight test automation framework. Okay, this is a ThoughtWorks they created as a lightweight, and they created for replacement of Cucumber framework, BDD framework. How means this will work as a markdown specification creation. Okay, markdown is basically a markdown. This is a markdown as a simple programming scripting. Okay, specific file you can able to say. Okay, this markdown language is a lightweight markup language. Is a markup language to use to write a simple plain text. Simple plain text. Plain text is nothing but now I have reused here it ThoughtWorks, open source, lightweight, BDD, markdown, plain text. This is the simple language where you can able to write the same format you can write it. That's it. That need to be a simple language. This is replacement of BDD. How it will replacement of BDD means you can able to write any simple languages. BDD will follow the future. You have to mention future, then the description of that. And here you need to mention for scenario. Then you need to use for given. Then sorry when then right. This is the way you have to provide right. Gagi will Gauge will support for a simple markup markdowns. It will support you for single hash. You can write for login validations, and double hash you can provide for login with the valid data. Okay, what is the different here? It's single hash will think as a future that entire file title, and double hash it will think for the scenario. Okay, what about given when then? There is no given when then, there is a star. This star indicate for the step. Okay, it will take as a step. This step you can able to whatever you want, like a simple way. If you use one navigate to login page, that's it. Nothing, there is no given. It will definitely have to create for the step for that particular one. That's it. There is no given when. Simplest way you can able to create it. Okay, this is a markdown. Okay, this markdown will help you to for simple implementation of specific file. And how to implement the steps. The GAZE supports for multiple programming languages. Like Selenium is supporting for Java, C Sharp, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Ruby, right? And it will support all the programming languages which is Selenium is supporting. Additionally, there is one more programming language is the Go. That also it will support. This is a additional programming language. Who is working already in the Go programming language, that also they can able to implement using this also. This is a best one. Okay. And release perspective, you say the history of the release or latest version, they started for 2014 development of this gauge. Okay, but they released into 2018 1.0 version they released. Okay, and that beta announcement and all everything it is coming for 2018 June they released. Okay, latest version the stable version which they are used for 1.6. Okay, and recently October 3rd or something, or October 3rd. Okay, October 3rd 2025 they released for 1.6.2 1 or 2.5 2.1, I think 2.1 or 2.5. That is a version they released. 2.1, you can say 2.1. Okay, that is a stable version. It is presented. You can able to go ahead and see in their website also. How to see the website? You can able to go get gauge.org. Gauge.org. You can able to mention. Then that particular website it will released. Okay, it will comes to here. You can able to documentation. You can go documentation and you can get for overview and getting started and write the specification and everything. You can able to see all the information from that particular website itself. Okay, what is the advantage of the gauge things? Okay, it is a readable specific file. Advantage wise, you can say it's a readable specific specs are there. Okay, readable specs. Readable specs is nothing but it is provide a markdown language they are used. It's like a business test dev and users also can able to understand what kind of automation we are doing. Okay, and it will support for multi languages, multi programming language like Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Go programming language, everything it will support. Okay, and it is having for inbuilt of a report. Okay, inbuilt of a report section it is there. You can create for HTML and also it will support for all IDs, IDs, Eclipse, IntelliJ, VS Code, everything it will be supported. Okay, and also it is supported for parallel execution. It will support for parallel execution. By default it is having for parallel execution only. Okay, and another one is CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD pipeline friendliness you can able to set up. Okay, it is having for one more good advantages. uh, it is writing for BDD style of flow. It will write for BDD style of flow. Okay, that is a one advantage it is there. And disadvantage wise, if you say uh, browser, browsers is a limitation it is presented. Like Selenium, it is supporting for all the things like Safari, Chrome, Firefox, IDE, Edge, and WebKit. These are the things, right? And here it is Selenium, not Playwright. It will support for WebKit. Okay, and here is WebKit it is not supporting and Safari it is not supporting because something issue is there. In case if you want to use Safari also in programming languages, then you can use for gauge with Selenium. Gauge with the Selenium. If you use this language, it will support it. Okay. If you use for Taiko, Taiko is the basically it is a ThoughtWorks another tool which is advanced version of Gauge. Gauge is the tool don't have a browser to open for specifically, but if you want to use for Taiko it will open for browser itself. Okay, you can able to integrate easily, and Taiko is basically it support directly Chrome Dev Tools, and it is take the all the things from there. But Taiko is not supporting for Safari. Okay, ecosystem wise, if you say how Selenium and Playwright is working, the similar format also it will work, but the thing is it need for additional support and all. Okay, and already I told right whether Gauge support for all browsers or not. Yes, Gauge it will not support for all the browsers. It will take for another tool support like Teco or Selenium or Playwright. any programming language. If you need for all the browsers with the mobile automation and everything, then Sapphire also support. Then you have to use for Gauge with Selenium. If you don't want, just you need only for UI, then you can able to use for Gauge with the Taiko. Okay, our playlist is basically Gauge with the Taiko system. Okay, if you say alerts and pop-ups and window handling, yes, it will support. You can able to use for Selenium also to work on that, and Teco also will support. Sometimes it may issue, but it will support for that as well. Okay, API testing Gauge will support. Yes, it will support for API testing also. Okay, by using for HTTP libraries, REST assured, or request, XO, those things, those plugins, libraries, it will take support and it will use it. In case if you don't want to write all the programming and then you need only for one step of code, then you can use for IBM Gauge API steps plugin. That plugin it will work out also. Okay. And if you say any particularly if I want which one I need to choose a Gauge with Selenium or Gauge with Teco means if you want all the browsers with the Sapphire also and mobile testing also, then you can use for Gauge with the Selenium. No need only for modern browsers, then you can use for Gauge with the Teco. Okay, you can able to get the all the information from this particular location. Okay, what are the things you want, you can able to get it. In case if you are not understanding, follow with my YouTube channel, you definitely will get it for some of the information. In case if something I missed out, uh, mention into that particular video in the comment section, and I'll make for another video for that. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.